What's going on, everyone? It is Kieron Price. I am back with my YouTube. I haven't done YouTube for a long time. I'm here with Jim, who's currently doing a Rubik's Cube. I'm here with Zach. Zach, big up, Zach.
What is up, guys? That's Kieron Price, and he hasn't done YouTube in a long time.
Okay, guys, today we're going to do a little bit different. I've never done this on my channel before. We are doing colour. Woo! Do. It's me, Kieron Tang, and I'm doing some colour right now. So we are doing colour. We're going to be doing bleach on mcih. So we're going to be doing a full head bleach with a 9% volume, 30 volt. Then on top of that, we're going to stick on a nice little silver toner to really lift that, to get all the yellow out. And then we're going to be doing a silver shampoo just to finish it off. And then we're going to be cutting it. It's really as simple as that. I haven't done colour in a long time. We're kind of introducing colour into the shop right now. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. It is a sick video, guys. If you like, now go on, Zach, you do it for me.
Oh, I don't want to say
go on, do the likes.
Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. You know, drop a like. We got a rich man over there. He's gonna be making videos soon, so you don't have to watch this shit. That's what I gotta say.
So yeah, you heard Zach, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you follow, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Tell Zach he's a little waste man. Yeah, peace. So guys, we start off by using a dual purpose lightener, which is on and off the scalp. Main reason for that, obviously, is because we are going to apply the bleach straight to mcih's scalp. Cannot not forget the Olaplex. Measure a little tiny bit out. There's the measurements on there, and 30 volt. Now, for people who don't know what Olaplex is, Olaplex keeps the bonds together so your hair doesn't break, snap, fall out. It looks after your hair, maintains its healthiness with actually putting the bleach in. It's amazing. So what we're going to be doing is just mixing up a tiny little bit of bleach, rubbing it all in, combing it all through, making sure I'm not really going to be doing the bottom. As you can see, I will miss parts of the bottom because that's going to be skin faded anyway. I just want to make sure I've got most of the sides done. So yeah, as it's applying straight to the scalp, I'm not going to be sectioning it off. I'm just going to be combing it through. So I'll start by combing it through and around the crown. Just make sure that crown's taken, and then by there I'll take it bit by bit, just combing it backwards constantly, because what I don't want to do is I don't want it to go on my gowns for a start. So that's why I got a towel, and I want to take it little bit by little bit just to make sure we've got perfect coverage all the way around. So now we're going to leave this on for about half an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, depending on, because it's 9 volt, it's not going to kill the hair. Obviously it has the Olaplex in, so it's not going to break off. So we're just going to leave it on and keep combing it every 5 to 10 minutes just to see where we're at and stuff. And then we'll get ready to stick our toners on. As you can see already, over a short period of time, that is taken to Macca's hair. Hair is gone blonde. Some places are lighter than others. Some of it's really bright and white, and then others you're still finding them kind of coppery tones in, which we're going to get out with the toner regardless, and if not, the silver shampoo will 100% take that out, so I'm not too worried about that. So now we're just going to completely dry that, and then we're going to put the toner in. So straight from adding the toner, we leave the toner on for half an hour, and then straight after we've washed it, we wash it twice with silver shampoo, and then we leave the silver shampoo on. As you can see, that stuff is bright purple. You need the thicker the purple, the more it's going to take the yellow out. So yeah, just comb that all through. Even though it is shampoo, keep it in the hair for, I would say personally, a good half an hour, and that would be best results. And then buy a bottle of silver shampoo if you're at home, and then do it yourself at home just to make sure it goes completely white. Now onto the haircut. We're literally doing a simple skin fade. We're doing slight disconnection. So you can see I'm just putting in my skin fade line. I'm just going to fade that all out. I'm going to take Macca's terrible beard off for a start. And then we're going to dry it. And it's going to look. Oh man, my butt's hanging out. I haven't seen a video of my butt's hanging out. Guys, if you saw my butt hanging out, give me a like. Legit. Oh mate, I'm keeping that in. I don't even care. That's sick. Nah, only a tiny bit of butt, bruv. You're all good. Don't worry about that. Not enough for like, it was like a 10-minute free preview. Nah, not enough to get the horn on. You're good. So anyway, guys, I can't concentrate now. As you can see, I'm just doing a little bit of clipper over comb. I'm not even using guards. This is how I would cut normally in the shop. It would just be straight clipper over comb. Sometimes I use guards, sometimes I don't, depending on. With blonde hair, you don't necessarily need to because it just fades in a lot nicer. And also currently trying to get all that silver shampoo off. It's still on my hands right now, but I'm not. It's not like a week later I'm editing this. This is only a few hours after, so don't worry too much. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave you to watch the rest of this video. Watch me style it. I use some hair powder and some Paul Mitchell hairspray. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the color. Let me know if you do anything differently. That'd be great. Yeah, this is sweet. Take care. Peace.
Well, as you can see, we're about to do a bit of clipper over comb. A bit of clipper over comb there. Look at that, going up on that. Now we're gonna clipper over comb the beard. He ain't got much of a beard, but we're still gonna do it. Then me's gonna go over there and adjust my camera. We're gonna clipper over comb the back. Now it's looking quite good at this point, so we're thinking a little bit more clipper over comb. Go back to that beard. Now's me thinking. Let me go adjust my other camera. I don't know where's me gone at the moment. now we're back. Scissor work. It's all about scissor work. Start. Oh. Shit. We realised actually we got to actually put a bit more work into the beard, so we left the clipper over comb and the scissor work.
Oh damn.
Now we're going down on it.
This beard looks nice now though, right?
Yeah, it looks alright.
4 out of 10?
5.
That's a strong 5.
out of 10.
Okay.
But as you can see, we finished the overall haircut and it's looking pretty good.
Use that cutthroat.
My fingers are a little bit blue.
I've been fingering a smurf.
I've been fingering a smurf.
Look at you in the background.
There's a little waste man in the background. Look how big his head is. Not the customer's, mine. Alright, now we're going to use this big thing.
What's it called?
Diffuser.
Nice, congratulations. What does the diffuser do?
Basically we're just using a diffuser to show up a lot of the volume. Get right in there. Did we add some sea salt spray?
Do you know what? We didn't.
Okay, we didn't add any sea salt.
We might have done.
Good.
We might have done. I can't remember. I think we did.
Alright, we did add a little bit of sea salt spray.
No, we had a grooming spray.
Yeah, that's it. Grooming spray. There we go. So we're just working that in right now. Making that top really pop out. Yeah, it is nice. It is very nice. Getting the fingers right in there. And then we're going to finish it all off with a bit of got to be volumizing powder. Because me is a bit lazy and don't like ordering in me joke and hide one.
Yes. The hear him, Jim. He goes, me using the got to be, right? Because me's too lazy to use the joke and hide one. Nice, man. I'm keeping all of this, by the way.
Yeah, do it. It's quite good. It's decent. Smashed it.
What's that?
You're going to finish it up with a Paul Mitchell hairspray.
And a blue thumb.
And a blue thumb. Oh, God. Now, I forgot to tell him to close his eyes and his mouth, so a bit later on he goes and be sick because he got too much too much airsprays up his nose. And that's it, guys.
So go on and finish the video. Ask him to subscribe to my channel. That'd be really nice.
If Kieron has forgot to say already, I'd just like to, alliterate that you should go and subscribe to his channel. I'm only talking right now because he's forced me to. I'm going to make a YouTube channel soon. So make sure you come subscribe to me.
Plug your Instagram.
My Instagram is Zach Batista, which is ZACHBATTISTA.
I'll put a link in the description below for you.
Sorted. Look at that. Just look at it. Wait till we get outside. Are you gonna put a bit from the outside in it as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, watch. I think there's a picture. Oh! There will be a picture. So you can just comment about this bit saying, oh, look, what a nice picture.
So this is a very nice picture. This is the finished product.
Where's the picture
We
gone?
forgot to pay me electricity bill, so...
Peace, people, peace.
Rudy!
Rudy!